In the previous tutorial, /posts/go-tutorial microservice/ you built a complete microservice with REST. Now let's learn gRPC, a faster alternative for service-to-service communication. Let's break it down. Protocol buffers. Protobuf is a language for defining data structures and services. You write a .proto file, and a tool generates Go code from it. Install the tools. Defining a service. Create a proto file that defines our notes service. Key parts. Service note service defines the RPC methods. Message note defines data structures. Stream note, server-side streaming response. Field numbers =1, =2 are used for binary encoding, not ordering. Generate Go code. This creates two files, proto/notes.pb.go, message types, proto/notes_grpc.pb.go, service interface and client. Implementing the server key points. Embed pb.unimplemented note service server. This makes your server forward compatible. If you add new methods to the proto file, the server still compiles. Use status error codes.not found for gRPC errors. Implementing the client. Run the server in one terminal, the client in another. gRPC streaming types. gRPC supports 4 communication patterns. 1. Unary, request response, standard request response. 1 request, 1 response. 2. Interceptors, gRPC middleware. Interceptors are like HTTP middleware. They run before and after every RPC call. Chain unary interceptor runs interceptors in order. The logging interceptor wraps every call with timing information. Error handling in gRPC. gRPC uses status codes instead of HTTP status codes. Common gRPC status codes. Check errors on the client side. gRPC gateway. REST plus gRPC. Want to support both REST and gRPC from the same service. Use gRPC gateway. It generates a reverse proxy that translates REST calls to gRPC. This means the same service handles gRPC calls on port 50051, REST calls on port 8080 via the generated proxy. This is common in production. Common mistakes. 1. Not embedding unimplemented server. Without it, your server breaks when you add new methods to the proto file.